guys, it's Ricky and today I'm going to teach some b-boy footwork and foundations for beginners. Now I have titled this for beginners, but if you don't know your foundations or even if you want to clean them up, this one will be super helpful for you, yeah? So the 4 moves that we are going to do today are a helicopter, a CC, a 3-step and a 6-step. And as I said, if you do know them moves, this will still be useful because I'm going to teach some things to clean up your technique and clean up your speed of your footwork as well, yeah? So going to be super useful. And we'll make sure we do all of these moves at the end with music as well, so you can get them clean slow and clean to the beat, so you can use them straight away, use them today, yeah? Okay, jump yourself up, make sure you got lots of space to do it, and let's get straight to it. So, from this point here, the video is mirrored, so if I say right, it's your right, if I say left, it's your left. That makes it way easier, yeah? So the first move that we are going to do is a helicopter. So, your helicopter starts down here like this. Most people know a helicopter, some people know it as a coffee grinder here in the UK. I'll be calling it a helicopter. So, you're going to start in your neutral position here. You're going to have your hands down in front. Now, when you're doing floor work, when you're a real beginner, you may start with flat hands. I'd always advise, though, try and go here to inner knuckles. So, all you're doing is bringing that thumb underneath to here. At first, it will hurt a little bit and it might ache, but you will build it up and it's going to make your footwork a lot quicker. Yeah? So, helicopter. Hands down in front. You're going to bring your right leg out to the side. Now, we'll show a couple of angles of this to make it easier. But basically, all that right leg is doing is you're drawing a circle around your body. You're keeping your left leg tucked in and you're hopping over. So you're swinging it around the front. You move your hands out of the way. You're going to jump over that leg and sweep it around. Now, obviously, when you're going quick, you want to keep that foot in the air. You don't want it to be scraping on the floor. So if you go a little quicker, you should be able to keep it in the air. Now, the part most people get stuck on is here. So all you're doing here, keep that left leg bent. That right leg is sliding under. You're just hopping over with that left leg. Keep that right leg coming round, yeah? So I'll show you to the side. So right leg out to the side. You're going to swing it around the front. Once it gets tangled around that left, a little hop over and out. One more time. So right leg round. Once it gets stuck there, a little hop over, yeah? Now, all you have to do to go 2 in a row is you're going to swing. As soon as you come over, re-swing that leg. And as I said, when you're going quick, you want to aim to keep it in the air, yeah? Good. So there's your helicopter. Next, we're onto your CC. So CC, right leg's coming out in front, so you want to start in your neutral position now. In your floor work, you're never generally going to be like this, having your heels down. Definitely hardly ever going to be like this. I see a lot of beginners do that, so try and get out of that habit early. Bring your heels up off the floor, knees over toes. That's all you've got to remember. Heels off the floor, knees over toes, and your footwork's going to be nice and clean, yeah? So, your CC. You start it in that neutral position here, footwork neutral. You're going to bring right leg in front. You can bring one or both hands down to the side, totally up to you. From there, you're going to pivot on this right foot. Your left foot is coming up, bent next to your knee. And you're going to come back down to the floor. You're going to switch your legs. So right foot comes in, left foot comes out. You're going to transfer your weight to the other side. So your left hand will come down to the side, or both hands. And again, you're going to pivot on that left foot. And then right foot coming up. Keep their knees nice and close together. Keep them bent, yeah? So you come down, switch your legs, left foot in, right foot out. One hand or both hands down to the side. Again, don't have that heel down. Keep that foot right underneath your butt. Pivot on that right foot. Left foot coming up. And back down, yeah? Boom. There's move number 2. Okay, the next move is the 3-step. That's what we're going to work on. So, we start from neutral again here. You're going to bring right leg in front. Step number 1. You're going to switch. Left leg out. Step number 2. You're going to bring both hands to the side. Or one hand will be fine. You're going to jump both of your feet out. Step number 3. Now make sure you keep your knees close to the floor. We don't want no butts in the air. It's not that type of dance, yeah? Knees nice and close to the floor. So, we'll do that again, and then I'll teach you how to continue it one into the other. So, your 3-step, right foot comes in front first. Now you can have one hand down here if you like. I usually have right down. And as I switch legs, I'll bring left down. Then, both hands come to the side, jump your feet out. Now what you're going to do to continue, if you want to continue on right leg will shoot to the back, and left leg will come in, and that'll be step number 1, and you'll continue from there. Or if you want to come to the front, you're going to shoot your left leg to the front, right foot's going to come in. That will be step number 1. You then switch. 2, hands to the side, jump your feet out, knees close to the floor. 3, and if you want to come back to the front, right leg would shoot out forwards, left foot comes in. 1, switch. 2, out. 3, yeah? Boom. There's your 3-step. Nice. So we've done your helicopter, your CC, your 3-step. Last move we're going to do is your 6-step, yeah? Now this one's easy. Count out your steps when you do it at first. If you're hitting 5 steps, you're hitting 7 steps, probably not right, yeah? So, your 6-step, we're going to start out in neutral here, and we'll work on both sides. So we're going to go right foot, hooks across first, and your right hand should be down. You should only have one hand down here. Pull 1, taught me this one. So right foot comes across, then left foot steps back. Again, only one hand down. I usually tuck my hands behind, but you can go anywhere. Then you bring that right foot back into your A-frame. This is where you're gonna have both hands down. You want your knees nice and close to the floor. Again, you don't want your butt in the air. You're gonna be gliding along the floor. So this is your third step here in that A-frame. The left foot is gonna come through. Right foot is gonna come behind your left knee. And you're gonna swing that left foot round back into neutral where you started, yeah? So let's do that one more. So right foot's gonna hook across. Left foot steps back, that's step number 2. Right foot comes back. Step number 3, knees nice and close to the floor. Left foot steps through. Number 4, right foot comes in behind your left knee. Number 5, and left leg swings around for number 6. Good. Then we'll go the other side nice and quick. So left foot is gonna hook across this time for step number 1. Right foot comes back, step number 2. Left foot comes back to the A-frame, step number 3. Right foot comes through, step number 4. Left foot in behind your right knee. Step number 5, then swing that right leg round. Step number 6, boom. Okay, so that is all 4 of the moves. So what we'll do now is we're gonna do all of them with the music. So we'll go slow with the music and we'll go fast to the music so we can make sure you can use them today, yeah? Let's go. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go all 4 of the moves slow with music and fast with music, yeah? So we can make sure you can get them all good. So.